Welcome to our channel where we keep you updated on the latest smartphones. From reviews to rumors, stay ahead of the curve, subscribe and hit the notification bell for our latest videos and exclusive content. Leave a like and a comment and let's explore the world of smartphones together. The Samsung S23 Ultra is powerhouse of a smartphone. With the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, expect lightning fast performance and an impressive battery life that's almost 40% more efficient than its predecessor. And the improvements in GPU are even greater, making this phone the ultimate gaming device. But the S23 Ultra doesn't just excel in performance, it's a photography wizard too. With its new 200 megapixels camera sensor, it captures every detail even after you zoom in 50 to 80 times, and Samsung has specifically focused on night photography this time, delivering the best night shots you'll ever see on a smartphone. With twice as fast and almost 50% more efficient storage and RAM, the S23 Ultra is a speed demon, launching apps and saving files with ease. And the new Gorilla Glass Victus 2 make it shatter-resistant and ready for any adventure. The S23 Ultra also introduces you to the world of astrophotography with its Astro Night hyperlapse feature, capturing the motion of the night sky with stunning time lapses. And the 8K video recording has been bumped up to 30 FPS for smoother playback with improved portrait and super steady videos in 4K and 2K resolutions respectively. Finally, the S23 Ultra feature Wi-Fi 7, which delivers more than double the speed, better range and improved energy efficiency, all while improving battery life. With all these improvements, the S23 Ultra is the ultimate smartphone of 2023, delivering performance, photography, magic and style.